isn't it lovely? All alone, heart made of glass, my mind of stone. Tear me to pieces, skin and bone. Hello, welcome home.
Walking out of town, looking for a better place.
Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. I'm so excited to bring you this video today. I am so excited for fall. I love anything and everything pumpkin and just anything apple spice. I love it. But if you guys are new here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys are interested in watching me decorate and clean for fall, then go ahead and keep watching.
Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. With all your heart. Missing someone. With heart. How much you miss it. And you miss it. And you miss it. And you miss it. And you did it right from the start. And you did it right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as.
You guys being silly? Are you guys being silly?
And next I just vacuum the couch and I vacuum the rug. I spend my life vacuuming because of my dogs. Yeah, they just don't stop shedding. They don't. But I just vacuumed and really made sure the hair is all picked up. But I did get these 3 pillows from Walmart. I just picked them up today. I had 2 of the white fuzzy pillows, and then the one in the middle pillow is the family pillow. That one's from Hobby Lobby. The 2 white fuzzy ones are from Walmart, and it looks so good. It looks so cute. I wish I could have got more pillows, but you know, pillows are expensive. So I only got 3 of them. So I just got that white fuzzy one, the family one, and the other white fuzzy one. But I really wish I could have got more. I really do. And my boyfriend just liked pillows. I don't know. He's so strange. I don't get it. But anyway, this is how it turned out. I really like it. It looks really nice and cozy. I just love a cozy, like, good smelling, clean house. It makes my heart and soul so happy. And I love it. Next, I just really wanted to get my stove cleaned up. It's so bad. And I hate cleaning my stove. I just dread it. I just don't like cleaning my stove. But once in a while, I'm like, you know, this really needs done, and I just end up doing it. But I'm just getting the big crumbs off for now, and then I go ahead and spray it with some Simple Green, because it really helps get some of the stains out and stuff. But then I'm also using this like Meyer's like lemon something scented cleaner. I use that because it just smells so good, and I love their cleaner. It just smells so good. And then I'm taking this little smaller little like buffer brush scrubber. I don't know, but I'm just gonna scrub my stove down. I just really wanted to get it in the little cracks and stuff and just get really most of the stains up. I'm just taking a warm towel and just wiping up all that I can, and that's pretty much it. that is it for today's video. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys being here. I hope you really enjoyed the video. I really love fall. It's seriously one of my favorite times. Just the smells and just being cozy and snuggled up in blankets and just it means so much to me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to go ahead and snack on some of these. They were a spice cake with cream cheese vanilla frosting. Oh my gosh, so good. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.